You know where I am? Freezing my butt off. It's free passing, you can get in for nothing. So this is the Lahti Skiing Stadium. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening, and the whole of the town is allowed to come in and have a look at what's going on. They're actually doing some ski jumping, or from those 3 ski jumps there. As you can see, the sun is going down, and over there may be some people testing their skis to see how good they are for sliding downhill. Usually they have to do that before there's any big competition on. So that's it. And those are the 3 big ski jumps. Oh, there's some skiers going around there, just practicing. There's a plane going across the sky. They're doing ski jumping trials for tomorrow. You just look at ants coming down there. Can't zoom in with this camera. Here's someone coming now. Whee! You can see him jumping. Yeah, how many is he going to do? Oh, there he goes.
So 17.5 meters.
Jumping.
Viimeistellä hyppää jatkossa ensimmäisellä harjoituskierroksella Saksan Richard Freitag, maailmancupin 2. 3 perässä Kamil Stohja, kun 7 osakilpailua on jäljellä. Richard Freitag of Germany.
Oh, there's somebody going down now. There he goes. So there's some boom there where they're able to put a camera on it. Now he's tying it down. But they've got a big boom camera there. Jim my jib. Perhaps you'd like some beer. There's some inflatable beer there. And they're putting all the camera areas there so they can film them coming down. So everything's just being set up at the moment. for the big day tomorrow. So that was the training down there. Oh, they're jumping again. It's quite an impressive sight, those 3 ski jumps. See if there's anybody else coming. There's somebody coming now. Whee! That's him down. And here we have skis down through the years, different makes. I remember Fisher. I think I had some Fisher when I skied Rosingall. The Finnish ones were Karhu and Peltonen, but I don't see any of them. I think all those ones are ski jumping skis, so I think we need to go this way, see if we could find some of the old Järvinen. That's a famous Finnish ski. Karhu is another famous Finnish ski there. Rosingall. Oh, look at this old wooden ski here. These special for putting your ski boots onto. That was the type I had. Here they are. Really old ones. I suppose there's a telemark. That's the Pelton in there. Well, it used to be quite famous. These are the ones I had, Fisher. With that type of seating, of binding, a really old one.